back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today I have a makeup organization slash declutter for you guys. A few days ago it was the first day of spring, and in Vegas right now it's not really looking or feeling like spring, but I did want to go ahead and start on my spring cleaning anyway. Right now I'm here in my bathroom. I keep my makeup here in my bathroom. I'll show you what I store my makeup on, but today is just going to be a speed clean with me. I'm going to be decluttering my makeup, getting rid of old expired makeup, getting rid of makeup that I don't use or that I know that I'm not going to use, stuff that I haven't used in a long time. That being said, thank you guys again so much for clicking on this video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and let's just get right into the video. All right, so this is the cart that I use to store all of my makeup on. I just keep this cart in the bathroom. This cart is the IKEA Rascal cart. I'll link it below if anyone is interested in it. I originally got this cart to store like my newborn essentials when my son Jordan was born, but he's 10 months old now and we don't use it for that purpose anymore, so it was a great transition to use this cart for my makeup, because previously I was keeping my makeup on this little white shelf here and then this shelf right here, but my makeup collection started growing, so I was outgrowing these two shelves, so I started using this and I really love it. It's really convenient. I can take it anywhere in the house and go do my makeup. I don't have to stay in the bathroom to do it. Yeah, let's just get right into the video. This is pretty much a before of what my cart looks like, and yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so here is what my makeup cart looks like now. Like a total improvement from what it looked like before. I went through this whole thing and cleaned it out. Went through all my foundations and concealers and cleaned everything out. I washed all of my makeup brushes and my 2 beauty sponges. So I'm just gonna wait for those to dry and then I'm gonna put them back in these little glass containers there. And I got rid of a lot of stuff. Like I got rid of all these bags. So I subscribe to Ipsy. So each month they give you, 5 products with these bags in them. And I'm not crazy about these bags. So I'm going to give them to my god sister. And in here there's just a bunch of makeup. Like stuff that I don't use, anymore. And that I think she's 13 or 14. She's 13 or 14 and I know she would love it. So I'm just gonna give all that to her, so she can play around with makeup. She's very much a girly girl, so she loves that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna give that to her, a whole bag of makeup that I'm gonna give to her. And I made sure that it wasn't expired or anything. So, and then I got rid of, and then this bag right here is just trash stuff that is old, expired. And yeah, so that's it. That's what it looks like. And it just fits nice in this little crevice right here. I just push everything back and it's out of the way and organized. All right guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're into the lifestyle, cleaning, organizational, motivational types of videos, please go ahead and subscribe if you would like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.